Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to make an object appear and disappear on Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get straight in. The first thing you want to do is open up your app, and we are going to now select the slide that we want to work with. So you can see I've got 4 images here, and I would like to present these images in a fashion of image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and I would like to have them disappear appropriately. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our first image, and on our toolbar here you can see that we have all of these options. We're going to look for animations. Now from animation you can see that there is a drop down menu. If you just tap on this little double arrowed icon over here. So once you have done this, you can now choose how your image or your object appears. So we're going to choose the fade, and this is going to fade in. And once we have done that, we're going to go and click on our following image, and we are going to choose the same option. The exact same with the third as well as the fourth image. Now, as you can see over here, I've selected the first image again, and we're going to add animation, which is located just on the right hand side over here. And if you click on the fade again, we are going to now have this image disappear, or this object disappear. Now you can use any one of these transitions. You can use any one of these animations as to how it appears and disappears, but I'm just using the fade because it actually looks very presentable. What you want to go ahead and do now is look for slideshow, which will either be on the top of your page. Alternatively, you can go ahead to the bottom of your page, and there will be an icon that looks like a little slideshow over there. You can tap on that. Now once you tap on that, you will actually see what your appearing and disappearing animations look like. Now, once you've selected that, you will see that you can begin your slideshow, and I'm going to show you what those animations look like. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you can make your objects appear and disappear on PowerPoint. We'll see you next time. Cheers.